Good morning, folks. Thanks so much for clicking your way to myhighplains.com. Meteorologist Nick Lillier here, taking a look at our rainfall totals from last night. We did pretty good. Hey, how about nearly 4 inches in Memphis, nearly 4 inches in Childress, 2.5 almost in Wellington. Shamrock ended up with 2.25 when I made this graphic this morning at about 3:30 or so. But we still had some lingering showers in the area. And by lingering showers, I mean a lot of rain, because they actually ended up over 4 inches of rainfall for the overnight hours. So they got bumped up all the way to the top. McLean, just over 2 inches, just under 2 in Panhandle. Groom, Clarendon, Claude, Borger, Amarillo, and Guyman bottom out the list. Everyone under about 1.5 inches or so. Yeah, here in town we ended up with 0.82 of an inch of rain. Yearly rainfall at 6.61 inches. That's about 10 times more rain than we got at this time last year. Pretty good. We're still about 1 inch or so behind. Severe weather threat for today. We are looking at a slim chance for some severe weather out in some of our western counties. That does stretch down to the south and in some of our southwestern counties. So keep that in mind for today as you make your plans. Maybe have a tentative plan B available. Of course, for today, we're not looking for a lot of severe weather, and most of the showers and thunderstorms we will get will be late tonight and into the overnight hours yet again. We are looking for small hail, gusty winds, and cloud-to-ground lightning for late tonight and into tomorrow. Our RPM computer model run does suggest the same things as we clear things out as we move through the day. The showers and thunderstorms do fire along the lee side of the Rockies and press across the high plains as we move into the overnight hours. But hey, we clear things out again tomorrow morning, just like today. The only difference tomorrow, we'll fire up some showers and thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon before we clear things out overnight. And then again on Friday, we look for the same kind of scenario, another batch of showers and thunderstorms firing up in the afternoon. And that's going to stick around, as you'll see, through the weekend. But for today, high temperatures 81 in Boys Ranch, 84 in Hereford, 83 until 85 in Childress. Out there in eastern New Mexico with perhaps a shower or thunderstorm in some of our far northwestern counties by later this afternoon. We'll call for 80 degrees in Clayton, 82 in Boise City, 85 in Liberal out there in southwestern Kansas. Here in town, we'll top things out at 83 degrees under mostly sunny conditions by later this afternoon. Now keep in mind for today, because we had all that rain, it might be a little soupy, a little humid come later this afternoon, and breezy with winds at about 10 to 20 miles an hour. Upwards of 25 at times. We'll call it breezy for Thursday and Friday with winds anywhere between 15 and 25 and 20 to 30 miles an hour as we heat things up. 88 for your Thursday, 90 for Friday with a 20% chance that you do see a shower or thunderstorm each day in the afternoon. By the time we get to Saturday and Sunday, that chance does start to diminish a bit. We'll call it 20% on Saturday, 10% on a Sunday. Cool things back on Saturday to 84, 87 for your Sunday before we really heat things up on Monday. A couple of us might be kissing the century mark before we cool things back on Tuesday. Again, thanks so much for clicking your way to myhighplains.com.